Guys, so welcome back to Lead Titan, your source for sales and marketing automation to help grow your company. So today I'm going to show you how to quickly create some designs for YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels or Instagram or TikTok using ChatGPT and Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to ChatGPT and we're going to give our ChatGPT some prompts. So the prompt that I'm going to give it is create, let's see, we'll give it a title. You are a social media expert and have been creating YouTube shorts for big companies for the last 10 years. Create 10 house cleaning tips that I can use for shorts. Put these tips into the following format. Actually, I'm going to give it a better prompt. So I went and created an actual prompt to put in here so that I can use this in the future. So basically my prompt says YouTube prompts for made for time shorts. And the role that I'm giving this ChatGPT is you're the world's best social media manager. I say that we want to help create YouTube shorts for my house cleaning company. I want them to focus on prompt engineering, and I want the structure to have 3 parts. So I want it to have an idea and then 3 different prompts. And then I give it an example of what I'm looking for so that it knows exactly what to do. And then the output format, I want it to be in tables with columns with the column headers on here. And then I'm asking it to give me 10 YouTube short scripts. So we'll go ahead and get this started, and I'm going to pause this video while I wait for the information to come back. Okay, so the reason that we only did 10, a request for 10 short scripts is because ChatGPT has a limit of how many scripts that I can actually do at a time. So doing 10 at a time is better. You're going to get better results that way. And I do want to let you know that I am using ChatGPT 4. You don't have to, but it does give you better results. So let's say that I'm happy with the results that it gave me, and I want it to give me 10 more. So now I'm just going to compliment the chat and tell it to go and produce 10 more outputs for me. I'm also going to ask it not to repeat anything from the last time because I don't want duplicate information. Okay, so we're going to let this run. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do 20 here. You can keep going, but I'm going to show you how to quickly create these. We're going to put this information into an Excel spreadsheet. We're going to then download that spreadsheet into a CSV and upload it into Canva. So I'm just going to show you that information here. So I'm going to just copy this data here with the titles. Copy. I'm just going to go grab a new folder, or new sheets rather. Create a new sheet. I'm going to paste it over here. We're going to call it YouTube Shorts for made for time. Okay, so we're going to leave that there. We're going to go grab the other 10, and then we're going to at least have 20 ideas to work with. And then you can take these 20 ideas and put them into 4 different categories. And by categories, I mean YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram, TikToks. We're going to need to download this as a CSV file. So we're going to go right here, comma separated values. It's going to save over here. So now I'm into my Canva file. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go type in YouTube Shorts. And this is going to give me a template. So I just want to search for YouTube Shorts. I'm going to find different designs. Let's see. Go by templates, not project. Sorry about that. So let's just say you want to do maybe some dancing ones. So we can go over here and create blank. And in here you can go find whatever one you want. I'm not going to use this one because it doesn't. Well, you know what? I'm going to use this one. We're going to change the title. Try this with your bestie. We're going to actually change this to be our tip line. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and grab some more text because we have 3 other items that we're going to add here. So I'm going to just pull this information over. I'm also going to show you how to align all of these so that it lines up correctly for you. So we're just going to grab these 3. Sorry. There we go. And right click, and I'm going to say align elements. I'm going to say center. Then I'm going to say space evenly, vertically. I want to push this one up some. And then, so we can just leave this as it is. I'm going to extend the video to be 10 seconds because it's kind of short. So I'm going to make it a little bit longer just because I have 3 prompts that I'm going to add in. So we don't want it to be really short with just 6 seconds in there, which is a typical time span that you want to do for YouTube Shorts, but we can add a little bit more in here. So here, I just want to pull this down a little bit because I don't like how it's so close to this here. And then you can see that obviously we can't see the text very well. So I'm going to change the color of the text and change it all to white. And then I'm going to give it some background just to add some pop to it. So the way that you add the background is to go to Effects. We're going to go to Background. We're going to go to Black. So it's black background with white text. And we're going to do that for all 3. We change that text there. White. Change this text to black. And black. Okay. So now we got our... Oh, actually, we need this text to be white. I reversed it. And we want our background to be black. Yeah. Okay, so we want this to be white, and we want our background to be black. There you go. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I went in here and I downloaded these YouTube Shorts into the CSV file, which has been downloaded over here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload that information into my Canva file. So we're going to go over here to the left to bulk create, and we're going to do upload data. I'm going to go grab the download file. And then as you can see, it pulled the first line in here. So then what we need to do is we need to connect this data to our elements. So if you click here, it's going to say connect data. So this is going to be my big idea. And then this is going to be part 1, part 2, and part 3. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to rename this because I want to make sure that when I do my music in a few minutes and the video that I can align the timing here. So let me just get this renamed really quick and then I'll show you how to connect the data. Okay, so first here we're going to connect the data, and this data is going to be big idea. And then part 1 is going to connect the data is part 1. Connect data here is part 2. Connect data here is part 3. And then down here on the video, you can see it's 10 seconds long. And I want to line up these tips to come in at specific timing. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to say show timing. And then down here, it's going to show me where the timing lines up. And I'm just going to let it pop in a few minutes after the heading comes in. And then I'm going to click on number 2, and I'm going to say the timer is already up, so we're just going to adjust this as we need to. So 2 is going to be here, and then 3 we're going to add here. I'm going to add it towards the end. Okay, so now that we got the timing in there, we're not going to connect the data yet because what I want to do now is I want to add some music. So if you go up to Elements, and you go to Music, and here you can hit see, here's the audio file here. You're going to hit See All, and then you can actually tell it what type of music you want to hear. Like maybe you can do happy upbeat, you can do happy background music, just happy music. And then once you find one you like, we can add it to the video. So I'm going to start this back here, and then let's just see. I give my all. Okay, we're going to go with this one for now, and then I'm going to play it through. Okay, so we're going to get this. Okay, so I want that music to start right here in the beginning. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this ball create, and now we're going to continue this process here. So we're going to hit continue. And now it's going to say, do you want to apply the data with all of the stuff that you uploaded? So you can see that we uploaded 20 different tips. We're going to go ahead and generate the 20 designs. And within seconds, you're going to have 20 YouTube shorts that you can use and post onto your social media platform. So we'll look at this first one here. Okay, so you can see that it's going to keep going, and it's kind of cute with the people dancing in the background. Just because everybody always does like backgrounds of houses and stuff like that. So I thought maybe this might be a little bit cute. Now, if you want to go ahead and add your logo in here or like a phone number or anything, it's best to do that in the beginning, but we're going to rename this now. So we're going to call this YouTube Shorts Made for Time Dancing. And then we're going to download this. And when you download it, you're going to want to make sure that you download each of them as a separate file. This way that you can go ahead and post them individually. So you're going to go ahead and download that information. And there you have it. Now you have 20 videos that you can use for your YouTube shorts. You can also take these and post them onto your Facebook and Instagram and TikTok as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you got good information from this video.